Unraveling temperature, standard units and everyday applications. Hello, curious minds. Today, we're embarking on an intriguing exploration into the realm of temperature. Let's delve into standard units and discover how they come to life in our daily adventures. Session 1: Introduction to Temperature. Temperature. Temperature tells us how hot or cold something is. It could be a warm day or a chilly morning. We measure temperature using special units. Session 2: Standard units of temperature. Standard units of temperature. We use two main units to measure temperature, the Celsius, degree C, and the Fahrenheit, degree F. Celsius, degree C, is the most common unit used around the world. 0 degrees Celsius is freezing point, like when water turns to ice. Fahrenheit, degree F, is mainly used in the United States. 0 degrees Fahrenheit is really cold, even colder than 0 degrees Celsius. Session 3: Applying temperature in the real world. Real-world applications. Now, let's see how we use these units in our daily lives. Case 1: Checking the weather. Imagine we want to check how warm or cold it is outside using Celsius, degree C. How we use it in the real world. Example: today, it's 25 degrees Celsius. This helps us decide what clothes to wear for the day. Case 2: Cooking temperature. Let's talk about cooking and the temperatures needed for our favorite dishes. How we use it in the real world. Example: we need to bake cookies at 180 degrees Celsius. This ensures our cookies turn out just right. Case 3: Seasonal changes. Understanding temperature helps us recognize different seasons and changes in weather. How we use it in the real world. Example: in winter, it might be 5 degrees Celsius outside, and we know to bundle up in warm clothes. Conclusion. Understanding standard units of measurement for temperature helps us make informed decisions in our daily lives. Whether it's dressing appropriately for the weather or baking yummy cookies, these units help us communicate and understand temperature in a standardized way. So, keep exploring and measuring, young meteorologists and chefs. You're on the path to becoming temperature experts. Until next time, happy measuring.